In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur your iPhone's home screen picture in iOS 16 and later. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. iOS 16 comes with a couple of different features, and one of them is blurring your home screen, and now let me show you how you can use that feature. So first, open up Settings and then scroll down until you find Wallpaper. Next, there you can find your lock screen and your home screen. Just tap at Customize just underneath the home screen. And here, first, let's select a wallpaper. You can keep it original. You can set there some color. In that way, you can set there a gradient, or you can tap at Photos and select some photo from your phone's gallery. And then, once you selected that photo, also here you can pinch to crop that photo. Then you can tap on Done, and next here you can see how it looks like, and then you can tap there at blur icon to blur that photo, and that's it. Now just tap on Done and let's hop out Settings to go to the home screen, and as you can see I have just set new picture and blur it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.